Uh-oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, when it goes down by my bottom, then I actually have to hula hoop faster.
Good job.
I know my hula hooping's easy. Can you do it, Daddy?
No, Daddy can't hula hoop
Because.
because I stink at hula hooping.
Really?
Yep.
Good. Oh, good job.
That's kind of what I look like when I hula hoop.
At least he's doing awesome, buddy. You're really good at that, buddy.
And so am I.
Yeah, you're always good at hula hooping.
Daddy, can you catch
Yep.
my hat? Well, I guess I can throw a hat and hula hoop at the same time.
Yeah, can you catch a hat and hula hoop?
No.
Almost.
Yeah, I said no.
Well, you should know Daddy by now.
Catch my hat, please.